So welcome once again, friends. Today we will learn about that there is a term called MOOC. So MOOC basically means massive open online platform. So these are the courses which are available all by the government, and they all are free of charge. And anybody can actually access these courses. It is very easily, freely available. You can do from your home itself. Everything is online, and plus you can get credit marks for this. You will get a certificate for this, all easily available. So there are these number of courses available which are certified by either IGNOU or AICTE, and these courses are on a different areas. So to access these courses, friends, you just have to go to Google, and once you're there on Google, you just have to type Swayam courses. So the first option which you see is all courses Swayam. So this is the portal which is by the government, and so once you click on this first site, once you click on this portal, the Swayam page appears. So here it is full complete list of courses which are available. You can choose courses by exam date, by credits available, by the course duration, because depending upon the course the duration also changes. There are courses running from 4 weeks to 24 weeks. Similarly, the exam dates, certain courses come with exam dates, so based on the desired exam date, when you are free, you can choose the courses accordingly. Then there is a course catalog. Whichever is your interest area, you can just type that word and choose the courses. So these are the upcoming courses, whereas these are the ongoing courses for which enrollment is already closed. So these are number of courses, a wide list of courses. You can always check on the upcoming courses for which the enrollment is open. So there is a range of courses, whether you talk of agricultural policy or say libraries, or if you want to do something in ICT or farmers organizations, accountancy, you just name it, and every other course is here, and these are certified by AICTE, the All India Council for Technical Education. So there is a proper certificate which is available. So these courses are very much valid, and one can add these courses in their CV as well. So these courses add a lot of value to anybody, whether you range it, name it, whether it is science or whichever field you are interested in. These courses are available from a wide range of areas. And even the courses are available for languages, for example C++, and that too, again this option is available whether you want to do a course in Hindi or whichever desired language, computer systems, information technology. So there is a big range available, and the best part is these courses are all level specific, which means there are courses for undergraduate, there are courses for postgraduate students, there are courses for academicians, teachers. So anybody who's interested can actually do these courses. They provide you videos, they provide you study material. So everything is provided by these courses. And the best part is many of these courses have exam dates. So these are MCQs based exam which you can go and appear on the centers, and again they have number of centers available all over the country. So anybody can enroll into these courses, so you can get these certifications and they can always be part of your CV. That is the best advantage, and all these organizations are government certified organizations. So the list is just never ending. You can just enroll into these courses and better your chances of your CV. So see you, friends. Do enroll for these courses and do follow the path of upskilling. Till then, take care.